And now in national and international news, at least 4 people were killed and more than 70 others were injured as violent protests erupted outside the BJP office in Leh town during a shutdown call issued by the Leh apex body LAB in the Union Territory of Ladakh over the centre's delay to hold result-oriented talks over several long-pending demands, which include granting statehood and 6 scheduled status to the region. During the protest, the local BJP office was set on fire and a vehicle was also torched as protesters resorted to arson. The protest was given by the youth wing of the Leh apex body to express solidarity with environmentalist Sonam Wangchuk, who has been on a hunger strike for the past 14 days, demanding statehood and 6th scheduled status to Ladakh. According to The Hindu, the violence broke out when police tried to disperse LAB protesters assembling outside the BJP office. Police used tear gas shells to disperse protesters. Tension was brewing in Ladakh since September 23 after 2 protesters who were on hunger strike were hospitalized. Meanwhile, activist Sonam Wangchuk has called off his 15-day hunger strike following violent protests. In an address, Sonam appealed to youth to stop violence while maintaining that message of peaceful path had failed. It is worth mentioning that Ladakh was carved out as a union territory in 2019 from erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, and people in Ladakh have been demanding statehood, constitutional safeguards under the 6th schedule, and greater local autonomy to protect its tribal identity and fragile ecosystem.